Ukungalungiswa kwengqalasizinda yamanzi, ukuxhunywa kwamapayipi ngendlela engekho emthethweni, ezinye zezinto ezenza ukuthi ukuthunyelwa kwamanzi kube inselele enkulu. Lokhu kudala ukuthi omasipala balahlekelwe amabhiliyoni amarandi unyaka nonyaka. Namhlanje uhulumeni waseJapan unikele ngesikhungo esizoqeqesha abantu abasebenza ngamanzi.
Japan is an advanced country concerning the water management and the water supply, and it has a lot of know-how. We want to transfer this know-how to the South African friends in order to be able they can get this skill from them.
It is for making effective use of our limited resources and not wasting the budget.
Ngokocwaningo olwenziwe komasipala abangama-54 ingu-9 billion amarandi imali eyalahleka ngenxa yokungasetshenziswa kwamanzi ngendlela efanele.
It is estimated that our municipalities lose 41% of their water through non-revenue water, 28% of it being through leaks.
At the country level, we should understand that we are losing about 9 billion on non-revenue water. It is a high number, particularly in the municipalities.
Ukuvulwa kwalesi sikhungo kuhambisana nombungazo wosuku lokuqhakambisa ukubaluleka kwamanzi emhlabeni jikelele, i-International Water Day.